Daulat Beg Oldi. Now, this is one of the very interesting concepts that we would be understanding, and it's one of the India's highest airstrips that are there. This is strategically very important for India. So, as you can look onto the map of Kashmir here, you would see Daulat Beg Oldi as lying very close to the actual line of control between India and China. So it's just 9 kilometers northwest to it. And then you also have one major basis of Siachen that is located here. Also, the nearest civilization or the nearest civilian town which is located close to DBO, as we would call it, as because you would have the railway and the roadways project that we would be discussing. So the closest town is Murgo, and Murgo has a very small proportion of population, mainly the Balti community that is located here. Now, what is so special about DBO? Now, this is a historic campsite and also a strategic military base located in the region of Ladakh. It is one of the highest airstrips at a height of nearly 5,000 meters and above, and it connects the region of Ladakh to the Tarim Basin area. Now, this, as we said, was one of the places where the Sultan Said Khan, who was also known as Daulat Beg Oldi, basically died while he was returning from an invasion of Ladakh and Kashmir. The region where this site is located is the region where you have the Chip Chap River that flows, and on this Chip Chap River you have the DBO that is located. In 2001, there was an idea to construct a motorable road, and this motorable road connected the region of Darbuk-Shyok-DBO, and this motorable road was at a height of nearly 4,000 to 5,000 meters above, and the travel time was nearly 6 hours. The only form of communication that is possible in this extreme climate of minus 55 degrees Celsius in most of the seasons is the INMARSAT satellite phone communication. So that is the only form of communication that is present in this region. Also, during the Indochina War 1962 to 65, we had the Indian Air Force which landed there with most of the commodities required for the air base, and after a gap of nearly 43 years, we have again revival of the DBO that was seen in 2008. And since then, you had extreme capabilities of Hercules, Super Hercules, that was seen and demonstrated in this region, and Super Hercules is having a world record because it was the only medium lift aircraft that was seen landing at this altitude. So it's a very major airstrip, as we can understand. Also, as we said, this is located on the Chip Chap River, and it is one of the major 5 border meeting points with China. So on the side of the China, you have the Tin Van Dian is basically one of the towns in the Hotan prefecture, and this is the part of China, and on the Indian side you have the DBO. So again, as we said, strategically DBO is very important, a very important airstrip in India. So could be a very probable section for your upcoming examinations. We would be covering many more interesting topics for you. Stay tuned. Have a wonderful day ahead.